Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off to prevent short circuits, then remove the case, SIM tray, and any accessories. Inspect the USB-C port under good light. If you see lint or corrosion, clean gently with a soft brush or compressed air. Do not stick metal tools inside. Once done, leave the phone resting upright on a dry surface for 10 minutes so residual liquid can drain, and prepare a clean microfiber cloth and a fresh, dry cable for the next steps. You want to dry internal moisture carefully. Place the phone in a ventilated spot with silica gel packs or rice for 24 to 48 hours, making sure it's not sealed with trapped humidity. If you use warm air, keep it under 40 degrees Celsius and move the airflow constantly to avoid heat damage. Once dry, check the moisture indicator near the SIM slot, and if it's clear, wipe the charging contacts with 90% plus isopropyl on a lint-free cloth before attempting a safe reboot. You should now reconnect a verified cable and charger, insert the SIM tray, and attempt a brief charge while watching for moisture detected. If the error clears, monitor charging speed and heat. If it persists, back up data and perform a factory reset only as a last software step, because hardware moisture often needs pro repair. If problems continue, seek an authorized Samsung service for port replacement. And make sure, never charge when indicators still show moisture. That prevents permanent board damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.